In this video, I will show you how to play videos in your USB drive on your Hisense Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the Hisense Smart TV, but this should work for any type of Hisense Smart TV you have, whether it's the Hisense Google TV, Hisense Android TV, Hisense Roku TV, or even the Hisense Smart TV like this one over here. By the end of this video, you should be able to play USB video on any Hisense Smart TV you have. Now basically, you want to go ahead and connect your USB drive to any of the USB ports on your Hisense Smart TV. And over here, I have the Hisense 55-inch Smart TV, which has two USB ports. So I'll just go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on my Hisense Smart TV. If your Hisense Smart TV has just one USB port, then go ahead and connect it to that particular USB port on the TV. Now, once the USB drive is connected to your Hisense Smart TV, you're going to get a notification just like that one over here, indicating that a USB drive has been connected to your Hisense Smart TV. If you're using any other type of Hisense Smart TV, you're also going to get that notification for sure. And once you're done, you want to come over to your Hisense Smart TV remote control, and then you want to go ahead and press on the input button, which is usually at the top of the remote control over here. Whichever Hisense Smart TV remote you have, you should have an input button over here on your Hisense Smart TV. So just go ahead and press on that input button, and a menu just like this one over here will pop up on your Hisense Smart TV. Now, in my case, you can literally see my USB drive over here, but if you're using any other type of Hisense Smart TV, you might just see the media player app. Just go ahead and select media player app, and you should be able to see your USB drive inside of the media player app. Alternatively, you can actually just come over to the home of your Hisense Smart TV and then just scroll through this list of apps over here until you find the media player app, or media as the case may be. In my case, it is actually labeled media, and you can literally see the media player app over here. In my case, I'll go ahead and open up the media player app, and from here you can literally see my USB drive on my Hisense Smart TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on it, and from here you should see all of the videos and photos on your USB drive on your Hisense Smart TV. Now to play your video, you just want to go ahead and select the video you want to play and then click on it, and automatically that particular video will start playing on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.